North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has said, 2 missiles fired under his supervision were newly designed tactical weapons that sent a solemn warning to the South over plans to hold military drills with the United States. Thursday's missile tests were the first since Kim and U.S. President Donald Trump agreed to resume nuclear talks during an impromptu meeting last month in the demilitarized zone between North and South Korea. North Korean state media provided no technical specifications, but said Friday the latest tests were of a new type tactical guided weapon that sent a solemn warning to the South Korean warmongers over their insistence on holding the joint drills, in defiance of repeated warnings. The U.S. and its allies continue scouting operations in the region, ignoring the fact that the Russian Ministry of Defense has repeatedly urged the Pentagon to stop flights near the country's territory. The American RQ-4A Global Hawk drone carried out a reconnaissance mission near the Russian border on Friday evening, plane radar reported. According to the monitoring resource, the aircraft took off from an airbase in Italy, traveled to the control line between Ukraine and self-proclaimed Donetsk People's Republic. It was later spotted near Russia's Crimea and Krasnodar region. The U.S. Army aims to receive next generation of remote weapon stations, equipped with an automated targeting system, according to new data from the Joint Service Small Arms Program. The Army seeks to use cutting-edge technology, something you might even see in a video game, to enhance the mission effectiveness of existing remote weapons stations, with an automated targeting system. According to a recent report from the Joint Service Small Arms Program, the new sensor system will perform real-time target detection, identification, and tracking through computer vision and increase the accuracy. The active target detection component actively searches the field of view for known target profiles and highlights them for instant evaluation by the shooter.